Oh, there we go. That's how you have to do it. Okay.
Block any one individual who's nominated, and so that's this Rubik's cube that they haven't been able to solve, and nobody has really shown a clear path to get there because any one faction has enough votes to block anybody they don't like, and we're seeing a party that's very divided within themselves.
Jonathan, you have Kevin McCarthy back out today saying the core issue is the 8 on the right fringe, and of course he always points to Matt Gaetz. They don't like each other very much. He said until that's solved, you're never going to get anywhere. I don't understand what he means exactly by solved.
Yeah, I don't know exactly what that would be. I don't know if he's calling for his colleagues to put pressure on them, although they don't seem to be really susceptible to pressure. Look, for someone like Matt Gaetz, he's gotten a ton of attention from this. He's gotten a lot of praise from the far right, and having McCarthy's disdain for him is actually a positive. And that's, again, part of this problem Republicans find themselves in, where they don't have enough votes to kind of overrule that fringe element. That fringe element effectively can dictate what direction they go, and nobody's been able to appeal to both them and the more traditional Republicans.
And then the Democrats are just kind of watching. Do you know, are they playing Parcheesi or what's going on?
Yeah, I mean, I've spoken to a couple of Democrats. They say they're doing a lot of work on their constituent services, and they're basically just watching Republicans shoot themselves in the foot from a political perspective, and they're not going to get involved in that. They'll allow that to continue on as long as it happens. They say they're ready to make a deal if there's any kind of offer, but we don't know exactly what Democrats would ask for in any kind of deal. And from what we hear, Republicans are not offering anything at this point.
And is there any movement whatsoever, or any action, or potential action on giving McHenry the what he needs to do to start moving some stuff?
So that came up last week, and it was pretty roundly rejected by most Republicans. And McHenry says he doesn't believe he has the authority to do anything unless there's a vote from the House. But the majority of Republicans, or at least a significant number of Republicans, are opposed to that idea. So that's another one that's just gone nowhere. You know, a lot of ideas have been put forward, and they all keep getting knocked down. There's no solution that everybody's agreeing on, at least to this point.